If you want to set up a remote on Xiaomi 15T, what you need to do is you need to go to the app drawer, and then over here you should be able to find the Mi remote app. Of course, we need to open the app and grant all the permissions that the app requires to be granted so that it can work, of course. And then you can either tap on Add Remote button over here or on this plus button in the upper right corner in order to set up the remote. Here we need to choose the thing that we want to set up. So for example, if you want to set up a TV remote over here, then of course we need to choose TV in here. Then we need to raise the phone, so remember to face it like that. The back of the phone should be pointed at your device, and then hold the phone with its back facing, so as I mentioned, and then press got it. Now over here we need to choose the brand of your device. We can also see some popular brands in here, or you can use the search bar. You can type the name of the brand that you're looking for, and then over here follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on this screen. So if your TV is on, then of course you need to tap that it is on, and then you can keep pressing this power button and then give the feedback to the app whether the button actually worked. So if the button worked, then of course you want to choose yes. If it didn't, then just press no and just keep pressing on this button until it actually finds your device. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.